Ladies and gentlemen, families and friends, today is the day Kriti is going to get married, and Arvind is the one, heart of Kriti. And now, all the rest of the life, Kriti's care is being taken by the safe hands of Arvind. Now is the day on which I have to say Arvind, the life partner of Kriti, to take care for the rest of the life of Kriti. Me and Siddha requesting him to give the same amount of the love and care and everything to the Kriti.
This reminds me a famous Muhammad Rafi song. 100 years ago, I fell in love with you. Today I am in love with you. I would be in love with you for eternity. They would make a wonderful couple.
To Kriti and Arvind, two peas in a pod, partners in crime, and a perfect match made in Charlotte. May your marriage be filled with endless laughter, joy, enough love to last a lifetime.
I didn't know I have to do this. I didn't know Jiju much until I met him this time when after coming here. But we bonded like bros. Not just with him, the whole Nanduri clan is part of the family now.
बैंड ले आओ, जश्न मनाओ, वेडिंग दी पार्टी इधर जमाओ। रिश्ते नाते दोस्त मोहल्ला आज की रात उन सबको बुलाओ। On the hard cross floor पे आओ, disco छोड़।
They call me his brother. He was the smartest kid. He had an amazing fascination towards engineering and complex mathematical problems, whereas I was still figuring out how to spell trigonometry. I really wish a really prosperous and happy married life for you too. Thank you.
स्विंग स्टाइल रानी आग लगाती, दिलों की तू रफ्तार बढ़ाती। लंदन फैशन वीक में तेरी चर्चे, ये तो बता तू क्या है खाती। कंट्रोल से आगे कंट्रोल ना होता, तूने मेरी हवा उड़ा दी। कह डालूं तुझे सीधी बात में, चल मेरे संग बाहर खड़ी में कैसी। बैंड ले आओ जश्न मनाओ, वेडिंग दी पार्टी इधर जमाओ। रिश्ते नाते दोस्त मोहल्ला आज की रात इन सबको बुलाओ। ऑल द हार्ड गर्ल्स फ्लोर पे आओ, डिस्को छोड़ो गिद्दा पाओ। दारू शारू keep it flowing, वेडिंग दी पार्टी इधर जमाओ।
Kriti can light up the room. She has such an infectious smile. And Arvind, you're a lucky guy. I think you know that. Kriti, your journey from college to where you are now is a testament to your strength and character. Despite the twists and turns in life, these two found their way back to each other and proved that love knows no bounds.
कुछ एहसास कुछ लम्हे, कुछ बादल कुछ बारिशें, कुछ चाशनी से जज्बात, कुछ तीखे पुराने स्वाद। कुछ एहसास कुछ लम्हे, कुछ बादल कुछ बारिशें, कुछ चाशनी से जज्बात, कुछ तीखे पुराने स्वाद। कहीं करवटे कहीं नींदें, कुछ नई सी आदतें।
कुछ ख्वाब अधूरे, कुछ रेत सी यादें।
कुछ एहसास कुछ लम्हे, कुछ बादल कई बारिशें, कुछ इंतजारों का खुमार, कभी यूं ही लगे बेकार। कुछ खामोश सांसें, कुछ आरज़ुओं की पुकार, कुछ चुराई हुई खुशियाँ, कुछ उधार के सपने।
कुछ ख्वाब अधूरे, कुछ रेत सी यादें।
कुछ एहसास कुछ लम्हे, कुछ बादल कुछ बारिशें, कुछ चाशनी से जज्बात, कुछ तीखे पुराने स्वाद। कुछ एहसास कुछ लम्हे, कुछ बादल कई बारिशें, कुछ चाशनी से जज्बात, कुछ तीखे पुराने स्वाद।